and cuts away down to third man.
Ball there. Ball there. That is a juicy ball.
Short, too short and beautifully hit.
Straight down the ground. That's well timed. Well, that will bring up his half century.
That's that shot. He bowled at his cut a lot today, Mr. Cook. And that's well done in the end. Will he get the rebound? No. It's another boundary.
There's one. There's a second. And that's a 29th Test match 100 for Alastair Cook. His first since Abu Dhabi. You can see what it means to him. England 1-0 down. The captain wanted to lead from the front.